Hello. Let us discuss about review of literature in research work. Review of literature plays a vital role in any type of research. It focus on the direction of the research. So there is no research without reviews or review of literature or earlier research findings. What the earlier research findings interprets in relation with the present study. Review of related literature is one of the important step in the planning of any research work. Now coming to the importance of review of related literature. There are three important aspects. Number one, it enables the researcher to avoid unwanted, unfruitful, useless problem areas. Please note down unwanted, unfruitful, useless problem areas. Means while selecting a problem, the first important envisage is that irrelevant variables or the statement of problem itself doesn't have any meaning. Second one, second important aspect, it enhances to know the proper research methodology. Research methodology is very important. It helps us to have a proper research methodology. How you are going to conduct your research, what is your research design, what is the statistical analysis, how your research is going to contribute to the society. That's what the second important aspect tells us. Third one, it makes the researcher to define limits of his study. It makes the researcher, that's very important, to define limits of his study. So what are the limits? In what way I was going to carry the research work? That's what the third point tells us. Now sources of a review of related literature. Primary sources, there are two sources, primary sources and secondary sources and other things. Let us take primary sources. Primary sources from research articles, books, dissertations, theses, monographs. These sources provide detail and more information about the studies conducted so far in connection with the present study selected by the researcher. Secondary sources from Encyclopedia of Education, research abstracts or research surveys, bibliographic references, quotations, research periodicals, or the line of secondary sources. Apart from this, government documents, newspapers, and there are relevant search engines are there. If you go for Google search engines, go for Shodhaganga, and digital libraries are there. From all these, you can access the information for your research work and prepare a design. This helps us to have a proper and specific research methodology for your work. While referring the earlier research work, please note that the reviews or earlier findings, interpretations should focus on your present study, because the title itself is a review of a related literature. Related is very important. Don't take unwanted and which are not useful to your study. So hope you have got the information regarding review of related literature. The related literature helps us to give a proper direction to our studies. Thank you.